Last but not the least, which is my favorite.
Hi, I'm Vishlesha Arekar.
Hi, my name is Amisha Jain.
Hi guys, this is Diksha Jain.
Hi fam, I'm Amrita Lakhanwala.
And I am Aditya Tiwari, and we all welcome you to the Cyclopedia. Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Tiwari and I welcome you all to the Cyclopedia. In today's video, I'll be telling you all about what type of cycles do we have in the market. But before going ahead, I just want to share few points with you all guys. Different routes require different types of bicycles. Before investing in your bikes, always make sure that you have your perfect wheel size. You always choose your perfect frame material and some important gears which you should always use for the ride. Last but not the least, your bikes should always fit you well whenever you ride. Moving ahead, there are three types of bicycles which you can see in the market: mountain, hybrid and road. Mountain bikes. Mountain bikes are those bikes which are used only or mainly in the off-roading trails or in an off-road patch. In mountain bikes, you can get to see some cool features like they have some large tires which keeps your ride more easier and smoother, durable wheels and some wide handlebars which better your comfort and balance while you are on a seat. Brakes is the most important feature which you can always have in any bikes. With the brakes, you can always keep you safe. Other than this, you can also get to see some good shock absorbers which can always keep you far away from some jerks which you always get on your hand. If you're getting a jerks on your hand, then it's not a good sign. If you have a mountain bike, then you should always have a good shock absorbers which always makes your off-road patch or ride more easier and enjoyable. Moving on to the next, the hybrid bike. In hybrid bike, you can get to see the flat handlebars. In those bike, you can get yourself relaxed and you can also get a straight posture. Other than that, you can bend slightly on those bike, but not much, because you won't feel any uncomfortable. The next point, which is my favorite, is that the weight is much more lighter than the MTB bikes, because I do carry them anywhere and any places. More than that, you can get yourself comfort than MTB and road in terms of the tire size, wheel frame and those seats. Last but not the least, which is my favorite, the road bike. The road bikes have the drop cut handlebars, though some have the flat handlebars like the mountain bike. These type of bikes are mostly seen in the race events because of their lightweight frame, their wheels and components, the narrow wheels and tire. The most interesting fact about these bikes that their body and their wheel spokes are made by the carbon fiber material, which makes them more impact and more lighter, because of which these bikes are used in the race events. These bikes are mostly run on the roads. Because of this, they don't have shock absorbers, or you can call it as a suspension. These bikes are made for both men and women, and also for some kids who are most interested in this type of events. If you guys enjoyed this video, then do not forget to hit the like button. If you are looking for a cycle for yourself, then you can share the video, comment down below and subscribe to the channel for more updates, and stay tuned.